Hey, so thank you for having you here with me, and I'm gonna show you my final project for the CS50, learning Python, and I created the Dutchionary. So first, the motivation for my project is that as an international here in the Netherlands, it's quite hard to learn the language. So here we are on the web version of the Dutchionary, and it works pretty simple. It's like pretty straightforward. Here you can put the word or expression that you would like to check, and I'm gonna put this one on the slag. It's something like let's get to work or something like that. And then we wait for the call to the API, the OpenAI API. And here I have the word, the definition of it, some synonyms, antonyms if there is any, and yeah, there's some sentences using that expression. And here I can also go ahead and use that the expression in a sentence. And I made a small mistake here on purpose. So they can correct me, and okay, no, it's great, but there's like some things that you can correct in the future. So the desktop version of the Dutchionary, I decided to implement it. Well, the main functions, they are here in my project file, and there are also a couple of test functions. Because I had the limitation of what the API returns to me, the answers from GPT, they are not always the same. Of course, there is some things that you can do to reduce the randomization, but my tests, they are implemented mainly in terms of formats. And I thought it would be better to have all the dictionary class separate in this file, so I could import here and just use the functions that are pertinent to it. And last but not least, to make things a bit fun, well, the Netherlands is also known about their cows. So when we are correcting the sentence, we are going to use cow say. So I can come here and then I can run my program, Python project py, and I'm gonna get asked, what's the word? Wow, lekkernijen. This is like deliciousness, or yeah, delicious things. And I have to wait a little bit for the API to check, and they return to me definition, meaning, and a couple of sentences, and so on. Now I get to try a sentence with it. I will say I love this lekkernijen. Ik hou van lekkernijen. And then we're gonna try to correct my sentence. And yeah, okay, it says here, well done, but yeah, there is a word, and it gives me a suggestion. And that's it. That's my program. So if you think that this could be useful, or like implementing something similar in other language, I implemented the quote GPT in English because I found after some tests that it was more reliable to, so yeah, it would be cool kind of to expand to other languages, although I'm not actively learning any other language right now. Yeah, if you have any comments, yeah, getting back to this is like 10 years ago I stopped coding, and I'm quite excited about the CS50 courses. Thank you for watching.